Hi, today's question is in Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment, only a few alpha particles rebound back because. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Okay, we have five different statements, and among them we have to find which are correct statement about Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. Number A, the size of gold nucleus is very small as compared to the size of gold atom. That is correct. The size of gold nucleus is very small with respect to the whole atom size, because nucleus is at the center of that system and electron is revolving around it. That's why when alpha particle scattering experiment happened, only few rebound back because nucleus is at the center and it is very small compared to the whole atom system. Alpha particle and gold nucleus have equal charge. No, no, this is not correct. The impact parameter is minimum for few alpha particles. That is correct. A few alpha particles have very high kinetic energy. No, everyone was having almost same kinetic energy. Only a few particles undergo head-on collision with the nuclei. That is true. Only a few particles undergo head-on collision with the nuclei because it is situated at the center of the system. So A, C and E are the correct. The correct option is number 4. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment below.